Hello everybody and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about the routing or the navigation about going from one screen to another screen or navigate from one page to another page and come back. So today we are going to learn how to make a very good mechanism that we can navigate between pages, and it would be very nice for building small project in even big project and medium project, and we would not have uh, other problem with our navigation. So before I start explaining that, if you are new in this channel, still not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe our channel for not losing other videos, and also if you like it you can press the like button. So guys, before we start, I brought some topics or some articles also for you if you want to read more about the navigation. You can visit this Medium site and you can study more about that, but there is something they wrote about how do we navigate in Flutter. In Flutter we have three different options of navigating between screens. So we have the direct navigation with material page route, and the second one we have the static navigation with route map that we are going to do this one, and the third one is the dynamic navigation with generated route. So you can see or you can read every one of them. As you can see, they talk many things about them, and also we are going to implement this the second one. So the second option that we have is the route map, and this is the preferred way if you use the state management tool like provider or block pattern. You have to you have the options to create a map with string keys that identifies the different widget builder method and take care of the navigation. So as you can see, and let's go down, there is some more things that they said about that. You can read them, and about the third one, the dynamic navigation, you can see here that they build a switch statement that they can navigate we can navigate through this also. So you can read this all topics also, and let's go back to the code and let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, I brought the same project which previously I explained the basic structure, but in this let's see how we can do the routing. As you can see in the main.dart file, as we can see that there is our main method and the build method, and we have the material app. Inside the material app there is initial route, and there is a map of route that we build for our routing. So as you can see in the material app, there is initial route or initial route, whatever you are gonna say. And there is a screen called welcome screen .id. So let's see what is this ID means. It means the ID of this class or this screen or this page. So where is this ID? When we are going to the welcome screen, as you can see here, here is the static const string ID. The ID is equal to what a string welcome screen. So we are calling this welcome screen by the help of this ID. When we are going to call this welcome screen by its ID, we are going to type like this. So this is the initial route, and we have a map of our screens that we are going to navigate to them. There is property route. So in the parentheses, as you can see, we have our welcome screen dot id, which it takes the context and it will return this welcome screen, which is this one, this class. And also we have the login screen dot id, and again if we go back to the login screen, we will see this id on login screen also. So let's go, and in here at the top we have the static const string id, which is equal to login screen. So whenever we need this screen, we can call that by the help of this id. There is no need for another coding. And the same, it takes a context and it will return this login screen for us. And the same with registration, with any other, and also with any other screen. If you want to navigate to that, so you can register them inside your main and inside this material app that you are gonna navigate. So let's go to the welcome screen or to the login screen again. So let's find the button that we are going to click and navigate that. Here is the button, the login button, and here is the inside this if condition, it navigate to some screen. We use this navigator.push name. It takes a context, and whatever screen we want to navigate, we give the name.id, and it will navigate to that screen we want. For now, we are going to navigate to the chat screen. If I click to this button, means to the login button, so we are gonna use this line of code to navigate to the chat screen, which is here. So again, if you want to go back to the previous screen, you can use this navigator dot pop and give the context, and you will navigate back to the previous screen. So this is that much simple that you make a navigation between the pages and between the screens if you want to navigate. So thank you guys for watching till the end of this video, and I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like it, you can thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe to our channel for not losing other videos. So guys, see you in the next video.